Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you can create a Walla track using sound particles. It's very easy. We will start with an empty session and add a particle emitter and a microphone. And the idea here is to add some audio files of people talking and multiply that by a lot of particles to create the illusion of many people talking at the same time. We'll start by adding some audio files. I already have some audio files here ready to import. These are very simple sounds. There are not a lot of people talking at the same time in this.
Richie. As long as you have extra tokens.
No, I got it right here. I got it right here in my pocket, yeah.
Right,
Thanks. I'll cover you next time.
All right.
Honey, I'll Butterscotch Intimate and Mr.
Client
Forrester.
control systems ebbing. Bring in an unmanned.
5-5.
Let's take a listen to what this is sounding like right now.
Butterscotch
As you can hear, there's a lot of repetition, and in order to avoid that, we can use the Granular synthesis audio modifier. Let's use something like a 3-second portion, and what will happen is that the particles, instead of playing the whole files, each particle will play only a random 3-second portion of those files. I think we are getting there. Now we need to increase the length of the overall render time. We are getting close to our final Walla track, but let's maybe add some pitch shifting to increase variation. Let's try different values to see where it can take us, and let's start maybe with 4 semitones and see what we can get. This is too much. Let's try 2 semitones. Let's also add some depth to our sounds. In order to do that, we can change the shape of the particle systems we are using to have particles close and far away from the mic. Let's use a rectangle and increase the size to 1 kilometer square. For the sake of realism, let's maybe add some movement modifiers, small movements to simulate the people moving around. Let's add straight line velocity and rotation velocity. Now it's only a matter of setting the number of people we want. In this case, let's try 30 particles per second for a total of 900 particles. This is what we had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you now know how you can create a Walla track using sound particles. As you can see, it's very easy, very flexible as well. Please leave us your feedback on the comment section below. Follow us on our social media. I hope you have the time to take a look at our trial version, which is on our website. The links are below in this video. Take care, thank you, and we'll see you next time.